Caesar says, "Get back, JoJo."
Oh, you should have seen her last night. She went off the side of the bed and she was trying to pull herself back up. She was hanging, and I just pulled her back up. I think her feet landed on the rail, but she was just holding on.
Get back, JoJo. Oh, there she, oh, oh.